Hello, kids! Today we're going to listen to a beautiful story called Who is Truly Happy? Once upon a time, there was a very rich man. He had a big house, lots of gold, and everything he wanted. But he was not happy. He always felt worried and sad. One day, he saw a poor farmer working in a field. The farmer was singing and smiling happily. The rich man was surprised. How can this poor man be so happy? He wondered. He went to the farmer and asked, "Why are you so happy? You have so little." The farmer smiled and said, "I have enough food, a loving family, and peace in my heart." The rich man thought deeply. He realized something important. Happiness is not about money. It is about being thankful and content. From that day, the rich man started enjoying little things, and slowly he became happy too. Moral of the story? True happiness comes from within. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more beautiful stories.